Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find nearby people on Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Instagram app. So after doing so, you have to click on the search option. You have to click on this option. Then you have to type your city location, that where you are living currently right now. So I'm living in Dammam in Saudi Arabia. I'm typing this Dammam. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after typing your city name, you have to click on search. Okay, after clicking on search, you have to go to the places. You have to scroll a little bit and you have to click on places, just like this. After that, you have to click on any of those Dammam Saudi. Then you will find a map here. You have to drag it down and you have to zoom it out. So there is all the people around me. So this is how you can find any people nearby you on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.